Hello friends, I'm Mohammed Aslam. I'm 18 years old. This is my first video on YouTube and this video is going to be about 5 ways in which we can improve our mental health. The first way in which we can improve our mental health is by talking about our feelings. Now when we share our feelings, when we share the issues that we face in our daily lives to people, we feel supported, we feel less alone when people listen to them. And as people listen to the issues that we face in our daily lives, people can give us ideas as to how to approach that particular issue which we face in our daily lives. And people may also help us in completely overcoming or moving on from that issue which stops us from enjoying this life which is given to us. The second way in which we can improve our mental health is by keeping ourselves active. Now one way in which we can keep ourselves active is by doing regular exercise. By doing regular exercise, we improve our self-esteem, we sleep better, we feel better, we concentrate better. Regular exercise improves the functioning of our brain and other vital organs of ours and keeps our brain and our vital organs healthy. And when we do regular exercise, the state of a physical body improves. So when the state of a physical body improves, we feel good about our physical body because there's an improvement in our physical body. So when we feel good about our physical body, the self-esteem in us improves, the self-confidence in us improves, which leads to improvement in our mental health. The third way in which we can improve our mental health is by doing a job or doing an activity which we love. So when we do a job or when we do an activity which we love, we enjoy doing that at first place, and whatever stress, whatever issues we are having while doing a job which we love, all the stress, all the issues flies away because you're doing something which you enjoy. And once you complete that job or once you complete that activity, you feel good about yourselves because you have achieved something, because you have done something. So when you have done something, when you have achieved something which you haven't done before, you feel good about yourselves, so which improves your self-esteem, which improves your self-confidence and ultimately improves your mental health. The fourth way in which we can improve our mental health is by asking for help. Now we feel disappointed, we feel tired, we feel angry when things go against us. Know that whatever issue you are facing in your life, maybe it may be related to studies, maybe it may be the relationship problems that you are having in your daily life, maybe it may be your personal health or issues with your friends, whatever the issue may be. You're not the only one who is facing that issue and certainly won't be the last one who is facing that issue. Know that people around you are ready to help you, are ready to support you. And know this also. Your God is also there to help you. Share your worries to Him. Pour out to Him. Because your God is the one who created you. Your God is the one who blessed you with a life in this world. Your God is the one who knows whatever difficulty you are facing in this world. And certainly, your God will be the one who will replace those hardships of yours with ease and with happiness. The fifth and the final way in which we can improve our mental health is by having self-love. So when we have self-love, we have a high regard for our own well-being and for our own happiness. So when we have self-love, we focus on our own needs. We make sure that we don't sacrifice our own well-being for the happiness of others. By having self-love, we be nice to ourselves, we be true to ourselves, we trust ourselves, we forgive ourselves when we make mistakes, and we prioritize our own health, our own happiness and our own well-being. Now know this in life. It is okay to be sad. It is okay to make mistakes. It's okay to cry. It is okay to have tough times in life. What is not okay is you being harsh at your mistakes and you mistreating yourself for those mistakes. Because you are the greatest supporter for yourself in this world. You are the biggest supporter for yourself in this world. And whatever mistakes you do, everybody does that mistake. Nobody is that perfect person in this world. Everybody does mistakes. So whatever mistakes you do, learn those mistakes, learn from those mistakes, accept those mistakes, make yourself better from those mistakes and achieve those goals, those targets which you have set for yourself in your life. And take care of yourself, love yourself, treat yourself in the best way possible because you are the biggest supporter for yourself in this world. Know that better days are ahead in your life and know that whatever issue you are facing now currently, all those issues will be a temporary one and happiness will again blossom your life. Hope you all have a happy day. Hope you all have a nice day and thanks for watching.